Tired of dust? Meet the iRobot Roomba 105 for effortless cleaning. Enjoy 75 days of hands-free cleaning with auto-empty dock. It traps 99% of allergens. This vacuum has 70 times more suction power, tackling dirt effectively. Clearview LiDAR technology maps your space for optimal coverage. Customize cleanings by scheduling or targeting specific rooms. Adjust passes and suction power easily. The Roomba Home app lets you set cleanings and check filter life with one tap. Need extra attention? Spot cleaning targets areas for 5 minutes. Control Roomba with voice commands via Alexa, Siri, Google Assistant, or the app. Experience a cleaner home today. Click on the link in the description now.